Imagine a prehistoric world where dinosaurs dominated the earth and the skies were filled with astonishing creatures. But there's something no one has told you. A small yet lethal predator lurked in the shadows, a being so strange and terrifying that it defies all logic. It wasn't a dinosaur, nor a flying reptile, but something far more unsettling. In this primitive ecosystem where giant predators terrorized the land and air, there existed creatures that, though tiny, were just as deadly. We're not talking about sharp teeth or claws, but survival strategies so disturbing they seem straight out of a horror movie. Evolution, in its boundless creativity, had designed a living trap, a predator that didn't hunt for food but rather turned its prey into incubators of death. During the Cretaceous period, forests were teeming with life, from colossal reptiles to tiny insects that, though fragile in appearance, had developed extremely sophisticated survival strategies. Trees secreted a sticky resin that, over time, turned into amber, trapping within it small fragments of a lost world. It was in one of these fragments that a creature was found that would change our understanding of insect evolution. Paleontologists analyzed 16 specimens of a tiny wasp trapped in amber and found something that defies all explanation. On its abdomen, this creature had a movable structure that resembled a trap, like a miniature carnivorous plant. It was something never before seen in an insect, neither in the past nor today. What function could such a structure serve? Why would a wasp need a kind of jaw on its abdomen? At first, researchers thought it might be a simple deformity, but upon reviewing more specimens they realized that this structure was a common feature. In some wasps, the trap was closed, in others, open. But then came the big question, what was this used for? And here is where things get truly disturbing. For weeks, scientists debated different theories. Some thought it could be a hunting tool, while others believed it might be a defense mechanism. But the truth they discovered is far more unsettling. Scientists have discovered something so shocking that it challenges what we know about insect evolution. A fossil from 99 million years ago, trapped in a perfect amber capsule, preserving the details of a creature unique in history, the Sirenobethylus charybdis. It didn't use its abdominal trap to kill its prey directly. Instead, this wasp trapped small flying insects within its abdominal jaw to use them, in a much more macabre way, as living incubators. That is, once it captured its unfortunate victim, this wasp injected its eggs into the immobilized insect's body. Then, it simply let it go. But the horror comes later. When the wasp larvae hatched, they began to slowly feed on the living insect from the inside, devouring it little by little until they completely killed it. Imagine the terror of being a creature trapped in this grim fate. This mechanism is something that to some extent we find in modern parasitoid wasps, such as cuckoo wasps. These lay their eggs in the nests of other wasps, so that their larvae feed on the newborns of the foreign nest. But what makes Sirenobethylus charybdis so extraordinary is that it evolved a completely different physical structure to achieve a similar goal, ensuring its offspring had a fresh, living feast. However, the mystery doesn't end here. Some scientists have proposed another unsettling theory. What if this trap wasn't just for capturing prey? What if it also played a role in mating? All the specimens found so far have been female, so it's not ruled out that this structure might have also had an as-yet unknown reproductive function. Moreover, the amber fossil in which Sirenobethylus charybdis was found offers us a window into a vanished world where creatures of unimaginable forms coexisted in an ecosystem full of evolutionary surprises. These fossils show us that although we believe we understand Earth's past, there are still secrets hidden deep in time. The importance of this discovery isn't limited to this wasp alone. It's a reminder that the fossil record is full of species we have yet to discover. In recent years, amber fossils have revealed incredible creatures, from prehistoric lizards to dinosaur feathers, including insects caught in the middle of a deadly hunt. Every discovery challenges what we thought we knew and brings us closer to the reality of a past that remains largely a mystery. If Sirenobethylus charybdis teaches us anything, it's that nature is capable of developing the most ingenious and sometimes most terrifying strategies to ensure a species' survival. But, although we have cataloged millions of insect species, there are still countless creatures in the fossil record that defy our understanding of evolution. This Cretaceous weirdo is a perfect example of how nature experiments with incredible and terrifying designs to ensure species survival. And now, the final question. If nature could produce something this bizarre 99 million years ago, What unknown creatures might still be lurking in our world today? You should see the next video because this is getting better. See you there.